Start. Okay, hello, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Just, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
You have family members.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know which place she was designated?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Rayaline Ramos Baniwas. I'm 38 years old. I live in Cervantes, Ilocosur.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
January 13, 1986.
What is your height and your weight?
Oh, 5'2". My height is 5'2". My weight is 65, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, how many children do you have?
I have a three son, ma'am. The first
Okay.
is 15. The first is 15 years old. The second is 12 years old. The last is 10 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
Uh, so they are 60 years old and farmers, ma'am.
Farmers. What about your husband? What is his occupation and how old is he?
She's 44, ma'am, and minor.
Minor. Okay, so in your buy data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Philippines way back 2008 to 2009.
Yes, ma'am.
You do as a housemaid.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you describe what are your duties there to your previous employer?
Year 2008, I work as a nanny in Baguio City for, I take care of two children, 12 and 11 years old. My duties to them every day, I'm the one who taking a bath, uh, feeding, preparing the foods, and bringing and picking at the school.
Okay, you do house chores at the same time, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you focus on taking care of children only?
Yes, yes, ma'am. The second my second work as a nanny, ma'am, I focusing the children,
Okay,
prepare the food.
way back 2022 to 2023, you work also as a nanny, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
1 year old and 6 months, ma'am.
1 year old and 6 months. Okay,
Yeah.
so Relin, how do I pronounce your name? Relin.
Irayalin, ma'am. Yes.
Rayalin. So this is your first time working abroad and you're working quite far away from your family. How will you fight your homesickness once it strikes you?
Uh, hmm, oh my God, ma'am. Uh, when I do have to work, so I don't get homesick, ma'am.
Oh, so you will focus on working.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being a domestic helper is very tough, Realin. I would like to let you know also, okay? So it is same
Yes,
like
ma'am.
you are a full-time mom. You need to be flexible, multitasking, and you need to get ready for anything that might happen to you because those things that you might didn't experience in the Philippines, you might experience here in Malaysia, okay? You need to prepare for
Yes, ma'am.
yourselves also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time? Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Repeat, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take care pets?
Yes.
Okay, so, Realin, you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 months, and it's not 2 weeks. Okay? If there is
Yes,
anything might happen, unexpected situation to your family, you cannot easily go back home to the Philippines because you signed a two
yes,
years contract. You know what will be the consequences once you breach your contract, right? You need to compensate your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia and you are the one who decided to come and work here to sustain your family's needs, okay?
yes, ma'am.
In usage of mobile hand phone also, are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, but you can hold it during nighttime, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
On your rest day also, you have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. But of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Okay? Do you agree?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So while working abroad, Realin, uh we need to let ourselves know that we need to be humble because we're working quite far away from our motherland, right? So we need to respect
Yes,
the rules and regulations of our employer. We are not the boss here. If in the Philippines you work and stay there, you are the boss. But if working abroad and working to any other countries, we know ourselves we know how to put ourselves right in the
yes.
right place. So please follow the rules and regulations of the employer, okay? So I just
Yes, ma'am.
wanted to inform you the reality of working here in Malaysia or working in abroad. It's not playing games only, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore or Hong Kong?
No, ma'am. Only Malaysia.
Only Malaysia. Okay, Realin, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
By the way,
Thank you.
Realin, do you have any are you healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't have any sickness in your in your body?
No, 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 ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.